In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a citation in Microsoft Word and prepare for a bibliography. If you're writing a paper, report, or any document that relies on sources, citations are essential for giving credit and keeping your work professional and credible. Word makes this process straightforward once you know where to click and what each option means. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the citation to appear. This is usually right after the sentence or quote you're referencing. The citation will drop in at that spot, so take a second to get the placement right for a clean and consistent look throughout your document. Next, head to the References tab at the top of Word. This is the home base for all things citations and bibliographies. Before adding anything, choose your citation style from the Style menu. You can pick from common formats like APA, MLA, or Chicago, depending on what your instructor, publisher, or organization requires. Don't worry if you're unsure or need to switch styles later. Word can reformat your citations automatically when you change this setting. Now click Insert Citation, then select Add New Source. This opens a window where you'll enter details about the source you're citing. At the top, choose the type of source, such as book, journal article, or website, so Word knows which fields to show. Fill in the author, title, year, and any other relevant information. For websites, include the site name and the URL if your style calls for it. For books and articles, focus on author, title, year, and publisher or journal details. Aim for accuracy and consistency in spelling and capitalization, because Word will use this information to format both your in-text citation and your bibliography later on. If you see optional fields and you're not sure whether to include them, it's fine to stick with the essentials required by your style. When you're done, click OK. Word will immediately insert the in-text citation at your cursor, formatted according to the style you selected. You'll also notice that the source is saved, which means you can reuse it elsewhere in your document by returning to Insert Citation and selecting it from your list. No need to retype anything. As you keep writing and adding sources, all of these citations can be compiled into a full bibliography or works cited page from the same References tab. That way, you stay organized and ready to finalize your references with just a few clicks. And that's it. Simple, accurate citations right where you need them.